Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Bobby Robinson with Black Anchor Design. One of my followers asked me to do a video about JSON-LD, how to install it on their site. So first, what you guys want to do is to go to JSONLD.com. That is JSONLD.com. Okay, so right here, this is the website. And you can see there's different examples of schemas from articles all the way to web pages, videos, speakables. Normally, for the people who follow me and people who hire me to do work, it's going to be local business right here. You see it says local business. But I would stay away from that unless once you get a little bit more acquainted with the site and what schema does, just stay away from that. Go to JSON-LD's generator. Okay. On the generator, you're going to pick, like it says, local business right here. So if it says person, organization, it's like if you're a nonprofit or a church or something like that. But put local business for creative type of business like photography, painting, murals, web design, logo. I just put professional services, okay, because that's literally what we are. Then you can put your name. So my name is Bobby Robinson, and then the logo URL. And people ask me all the time, how do I find my logo's URL? All right, so this is my website, and you see the logos right here. You're going to right click it and it says copy image address. So you're going to click that and it's just going to paste it. Boom, right there. Description, I would use kind of like right here where you kind of state what your website is. You're just going to go ahead and grab it, copy it, paste it right there. The address where your business is located. It does not matter if you work from home. It's not going to give that subtle information. It's not going to give like people's your home address, okay? Remote work is a thing now. A lot of people do remote work, so don't stress about that. Just go ahead and put that there. If you're using a virtual office, you can use a virtual office, same thing. Um, Latitude and longitude. Okay, how do you find this information? And this is the number one question I get a lot. So what you want to do is to go to Google Maps. All right. Let's say you already registered your business with Google My Business. So for me would be, Black Ink Design. It shows up right there. All right. You see here on the URL bar, it kind of gives you like this kind of crazy long number right here. Okay. So you're going to copy that. You're going to put that latitude. Right. You're going to go back to that. Pick the second line, see where it says negative 97 point something, something, something. For you is going to be a little bit different, the numbers, but I put that in longitude, boom, right there. So latitude, longitude, that's taken care of. Include a Google My Map URL. All right, so right here's the whole URL. So you're going to copy it, place that sucker in there, and then the same thing with the hours of operation. Basically, I am Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay. Price range, you can play around with that. I normally have very expensive because I want the Google to mark me up. So what that kind of helps is when people put in cheap web designer, I normally do not come up. People are not really going to like Google search expensive web designer, but they're going to put like top web designer, top ranking web designer, best web designer in Fort Worth. That's kind of where that information going to come up, and that's going to help you right there with that schema markup. The telephone number where you want people to reach you at. I wouldn't put a cell phone unless you use your cell phone for business. If you have a landline, use that. Your web URL, so mine is blackinkerdesign.com, and you can see all this is the markup right here, right? The generator kind of build that markup. So what you want to do is you want to copy it, go to your website. In the website, I would recommend put the local schema markup on your home page. Okay, you're going to find where it says header HTML. You see that? You're going to put that there and you're going to paste it. You're going to paste that right there. It's going to mark it up, and then you're going to hit save. Hit save, republish the site. Once it's republished, you're going to go to Google Structured Data Testing Tool. All right, remember we put this on the home page, so we're going to test the home page. Okay, we're going to run the test. And like you see on the left right here, this is your HTML of your site, your Java, your CSS is all there. Normally it's HTML, and then on the right is going to be the markup that we do with the schema. 0 errors, 0 warnings, professional services like we picked earlier down the line, and then this is kind of right there. What is this helpful for? A lot of people ask me all the time. This is helpful. Imagine your website being a book, right? And then you're introducing it to Google. Google is the librarian. Well, she needs to know how to place you in the library. Okay, so the schema is going to help say, oh, Black Inker Designs, professional services, uh, he's an award-winning so-and-so, and, he's located at this coordinate. So remember, Google My Business is about proximity. So anywhere within this address, within like a 20 to 50 mile radius, you may start populating and showing up. So that's kind of what it does. It just, your website is kind of like a book. Google's the librarian. She needs to know how to place you and where to place you at when people are searching for specific things. That's it, guys. Hope this helps. If you like, just hit the subscribe button, and hopefully we get some more videos.